Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths online class. So, firstly, students, take out your maths book, means book of mathematics, and open page number 44. Students, I think your concept may have been clear now about big and small, heavy and light, and tall and short. Am I right? Okay, so today I am going to teach you about numbers. Means today we will learn about numbers. Understood? Before starting the concept of number, look here, there is a one rhyme related to the number. Okay, this rhyme is on page number 44. So students, open page number 44. There is a rhyme. Okay, so students, we will learn this rhyme first. Firstly, I will sing this rhyme, then after you will repeat it. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Okay, this is your rhyme. So, sing once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. So students, you have to remember this poem with the help of your parent. Parent will help you. Understood? Firstly, you remember it. Now, come to the next page. Open page number 45. Our topic is numbers. Let us look at numbers. I told you na, before starting the concept of numbers, we will learn some rhyme or some exercise based on the numbers. So, this is your topic, numbers. Firstly, students, look here. There is a lot of monkeys are hanging on the tree. See, there are lots of monkeys, na? And see, there is a lots of banana on the ground. See, यहाँ पे कितने सारे monkeys हैं and यहाँ पे banana है. You know ना, monkey like eat banana. Yes. So students, what we do in the exercise? Yes, we have to give one banana to each monkey. Means a monkey will take a single banana. Understood? Before starting doing these activities, now come to and count the how many monkeys are on the tree. Okay? Firstly, we will count all the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many monkeys are here? 6 monkeys. Now count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, here there is a 6 monkeys on the tree. Now count this banana. Okay, how many bananas are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here there is a 6 bananas on the ground, and here there is a 6 monkey hanging on the tree. Means 6 monkeys and 6 banana. 1 banana for 1 monkey. Okay students, you have to do this, that every monkey has to give 1 banana. Understood? How will give you? Don't worry, I will tell you. Firstly, we will give the banana to monkey with the help of line. Means you will have to draw a line from monkey to banana. See, like this. Look at here. There is a 1 monkey and 1 banana. Now there is a 1 line. सेम ऐसे ही लाइन हमें और monkeys को बनाना तक लाने के लिए ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी. Students, tell me, firstly trace this line like this. I am using this crayons color. Okay, you can also use crayons for draw the line. Firstly trace this line like this. Yes. Student, which line is this? Yes, this is standing line. Now we will make another line from monkey to banana. Now come to this monkey firstly. Okay, and draw 1 line like this for 1 banana. Okay, now come to the next monkey and draw a line from monkey to banana. Yes. Now the turn of that monkey, make standing line like this. Okay, इस monkey को भी banana मिल गया. Now 2 monkeys are left. So yes, इस monkey को भी banana मिल गया, and there is a last monkey, and see, इस monkey को भी banana मिल गया है ना. See, every monkey got a bananas. So count all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many lines are here? 6 lines. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means there is a 6 monkey hanging on the tree. There is a 6 line, and there is a 6 bananas on the floor. Each banana for each monkey. So students, you have to draw the same line as I have drawn it. Understood? Now this is your homework. So firstly write down today's date here. Today's date is 1-06-2020. Okay, this is your homework. So write down at W here. Parent will do the same. And now in this page you will also put it date 01 6 2020. This is your also homework, so write down HW here. So student, this is your also your homework. Remember it with the help of your parent will help you. Remember this rhyme, and this is your also your homework. Okay, now see like this. So student, day after tomorrow we will learn about number 1. Okay, now today we will learn about the concept of numbers with the help of the rhyme and this exercise. Okay, complete your homework and submit to me. Okay, goodbye students.